Alright guys, welcome back again. This one I'm gonna tell you what my 21st items are. It's pretty simple. It makes my Jeep stand out more, and pretty common that you see a lot of Jeep owners put on their sides. It's basically these decals. Right there, giving pride to the Jeep. So yeah, that's my 21st item, is those Jeep decals. Well, the flag, that is. I forgot what this is called right here. It's some sort of Fender flare or whatever right there. It's, I don't know if it serves any purpose. It is, yeah, you could sort of see through it, and it goes on the other side. I don't know how it's, the purpose of it is, but yeah, the decals right there makes it stand out, and then basically USA pride. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. Till next time, peace.